Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to new lesson of this lesson series. In our previous lessons we covered the alphabets Alif to Ya. So in this video we will study about makharij. Makharij mean exit points. Exit points means are where the letters are pronounced. For us to be able to pronounce the Arabic alphabets correctly to help us with our tajweed. So there are 5 main exit points of Arabic alphabets. So let's start. Number 1, al-jawf. Al-jawf means the empty space. The empty space is the open area in your mouth. If a doctor asks you to open your mouth and say ah, have you ever wondered where the sounds come from? Yes, the sounds come from the empty space in your mouth. There are 3 letters which exit from the empty space, which are Alif Madda, Waw Madda and Ya Madda. Number 2, Al-Halaq. Al-Halaq means the throat. There are 6 letters which exit from the throat, which are Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha and Hamza, Ha. In English, we don't use our throat very much for any of the letters, so many of us struggle to pronounce the letters from the throat. Number 3, al-lisan. Al-lisan means tongue. Most of the Arabic letters exit from the tongue. There are 18 letters which exit from the tongue, which are Sqad, Lam, Noon, Ra, Qa, Dal, Ta, Sqad, Za, Sin, Gha, Dal, Tha, Qaf, Kaf, Jim, Shin and Ya. These letters are further divided into specific makharij as we have learned in the previous lessons. Number 4, ash-shafatan. Ash-shafatan mean lips. The 4 letters which are pronounced from the lips are Ba, Fa, Mim and Waw. Right? Number 5, al-khayshum. Al-khayshum mean the nose. When the sound of mim and noon go into the nose, we call it guna. Did you notice mim and noon both letters are pronounced from the lips, but the sounds also goes into the nose. Try saying mim, noon. Right? I hope you understand this lesson. Jazakallah. Thank you for watching. Have a good time. Assalamu alaikum.